Move on to the 13th problem. Solve each of the following equations. We'll start with A. Log base 2 of log base 3 of x equals natural log of e. Now we know natural log of e is 1. So therefore log base 2 of log base 3 of x equals 1. And if RHS is 1, then it means this value must be equal to 2. So therefore we'll get log base 2 of 2 will be 1. So in that case log base 3 of x equals 2, and therefore x equals 3 raised to 2, that is equal to 9, which is the answer. Now let's move on to B. Log base 2 of log base 3 of x equals log base 4 of 1 plus log 10, and this is log to the base 10. So therefore log base 10 of 10 is 1, and log 1 to any base is 0. So right hand side is simply 1. So this will be log base 2 of log base 3 of x equals 0 plus 1, which is equal to 1. Now again, if you carefully look at the equation, if the right hand side is 1, then this value must be 2, because it will give log base 2 of 2 will be 1. So therefore this value must be 2. So log base 3 of x equals 2, or x equals 3 raised to 2, which is equal to 9. So this is the answer for B. On to C. Log base 4 of log base 3 of log base 2 of x equals log base 4 of 2. Now if you look at the expressions on both sides, left hand side is log base 4 and right hand side is log base 4. Not only that, log base 4 of a whole expression and log base 4 of 2. So we can remove log base 4 and we can simply write this as log base 3 of log base 2 of x equals 2. Now let's remove this log. So what will happen? This will be log base 2 of x equals 3 raised to 2, which is equal to 9. Now we can remove this log and we can write this as x equals 2 raised to 9, and this is equal to the 14th sum. Solve the simultaneous equations, and we'll start with the first one. Natural log of 3x minus y equals natural log of 36 minus natural log of 9. And if you simplify the right hand side, this will be natural log of 36 over 9, which is equal to natural log of 4. And the left hand side is natural log of 3x minus y. From this we can remove the log from both sides, and we can write 3x minus y equals 4. This is our first equation. Similarly, let's take the second one, e power x the whole squared over e power y equals e. Now you simplify this, e power 2x, x into 2 is 2x, equals e times e power y. Therefore e power 2x equals e raised to y plus 1. Now this is adding the powers because this is e power 1. So equating the indices, (2x) equals y plus 1, or 2x minus y equals 1. So this is our second equation. So we got two equations now, and we'll solve these equations and find the values of x and y. Now we'll write the equations. 3x minus y equals 4 and 2x minus y equals 1. Let this be equation 1 and let this be equation 2. Now we can subtract 2 from 1. So 1 minus 2 gives, this is x, and these two will get cancelled, and x equals 3. So x equals 3 is the first solution of the value of x, and we can use this in one of the equations to find out value of y. 3 times 3 minus y equals 4, or 9 minus y equals 4. 9 minus 4 equals y, therefore y equals 5. This second value or value of y. So x equals 3 and y equals 5 are the values.